All right, day one off the trailer. Yeah, go back a little more and then we're gonna push it forward. That's good right there, guys. All hands on deck. Soaking it up. Except for these, we haven't washed these yet. They already gave the car a wash, vacuumed it. Just need to scrub the inside. A better wash because that's the first wash in about 10 years. Inside is, well, it's wet now, but it's vacuumed a little bit. Just gotta scrub it now. These guys did good. It's a couple of hours of work so far. Oh, I need to rinse this engine bay. So it's the end of 7th period, end of day 3. I mean, granted, we only work on it about 45 minutes to maybe an hour a day. Here's the inside. This still needs to be all swapped out from the original red car, the other one. We're in the gray car right now, but it's looking really good. These guys pressure washed it, kind of gave it some agitation, and yeah, now everything's back on. Just gotta keep going. It's looking good though. We gotta put the windows on, obviously. But all the interior panels are back in. Headliners on. Some of these screws are stripped, but we're gonna see if we can somehow extract them. There it is, guys. Rear interior from the B pillar back. Headliner, seats in the rear now. We're on day 3. What do you think, Sebastian?
It's gonna make you miserable.
Yeah? This school year? Dang, that's big talk, Sebastian. Now we're swapping, looks like door pillars, window moldings. We're taking off these, swapping it to the gray one. You pushed it out already?
Yeah.
All right. So let's actually leave that line, Gabriel, so it doesn't make a mess. We'll just bend it up because we're not ready for it anyways.
Okay.
We'll bend it up like that. That way it's not in the way and it doesn't drip out. And then when we're ready, we'll swap everything out. Yeah. Just break them loose if you want.
All right.
You want to do that side? So yeah, we're gonna plan on putting new brake line or brake hose from here inside the car and into our new proportioning valve. Did you smack it or not yet?
No.
Remember the initial one? Hit it pretty hard and then it should break free. You're tiny, no?
Oh.
Did it break free?
Yeah.
Nice. And then those are the ones we're gonna try and restore. All right, so now they're fishing out the old lines. Just make it as straight as possible, and then we're gonna just fish it through.
Eric, fish it?
No, pull it. And we got rid of that, all that brake wires or brake harness. No, brake piping. So those are the ones we're gonna fix right now. Try and straighten them out. We're gonna cut them, put a custom adapter like a T, go into our master cylinder or our proportioning valve, and then hoses go into it, and it'll be a lot cleaner, a lot more serviceable out in the front. This one, we need to replace this one because it kind of broke, huh, Gabriel?
Yeah.
All right, it's progress. All right, so the guys just fished out the 2 brake lines that were running in here before, went to a proportioning valve. They ran it out now. Now they're fixing on taking that off, and we're gonna custom make our own brake lines because it was a rat nest in here, and the brake lines were behind the pedals, around the steering column, behind the heater core and the evaporator, so it's not the way we wanted it. All right, let's cut those lines, Gabriel.